got a new grinder online from Health. Less than 150 quid delivered. Now that deal, top shelf. Nice box, smart pop. If your poison is the pour, or you just need to grind a little more, use the standard top. And if you're fancying espresso and to grind a little thinner, grab your 58ml porter and just change the inner. It's got a fancy magnet grabby thing and a very nice lid, which doubles up as bellows if your grinds won't skid. 12 extra steps to keep your grind dialed in. What a handsome fellow he is. Fellows, Opus indeed, built a pulverized bean. I tell you how it grinds, but I'd rather keep it clean.
So in fact, tea tasting is what it's all about, not tea drinking.
It is indeed, yes. We